It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time joining me, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you are a returning subby, you know I appreciate you for coming back and rocking with your girl. Today I'm going to do a hair review from a company called Friendly-HairVivi. Let me show you the box, you guys. It came in this gorgeous blue box, you guys. Oh my god, it's like a present. I don't even want to untie it. You know what I mean? It's so pretty. Alright, and what I'm going to try to do today on camera is style my hair and see if this unit is something that you can wear right out of the box. Right out of the box? Okay, yeah, we'll see about that. So, let me go ahead and untie this. And I'm doing this for the first time on camera, you guys, so. Look how it's packaged. Sorry, it has my order information, and I'm not going to show it because it has my address on here. I can tell you about this unit. It's a Victoria pre-plucked front lace wig, straight human hair. The hair type is Indian virgin hair. The hair length is 18 inches. It's a natural color. The density is 130. Cap construction is part line lace front. Wig glueless. Cap size is medium. Bleached knots. Whole front is bleached. Oh, okay. I have my knots bleached. And it has an additional elastic band, which was free. This is how the unit came. You guys, the packaging reminds me of another company that I recently reviewed, which was XOXO wigs. And so, yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at these lashes. Oh my god. These are like really nice lashes. Let me see if my camera would get it. What else did it come with? A rat tail comb. With 2 hair clips. Came with the wig cap. It came with information for the social media. And it came with instructions on how to take care of the hair. It came with the unit. Look at the party. The knots are bleached, you guys. Oh wow. And it does come with an elastic band already sewed on. Okay, you guys, so it comes with a comb in the back. It comes with 2 combs on the side. And a comb in the middle, which I typically don't, I don't use the combs, honestly. Sometimes I do. I don't really use the combs. I will put the pricing and everything down below in the description bar, as well as the details to the unit in the description bar below. I got you. I got you. It has lace in the back. Go ahead and put this on my head. This is the hairline. Oh wow, look how realistic this looks. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my freaking goodness. I've never gotten a unit like this before. Oh my god. I would wear this unit right out of the box. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Oh my freaking goodness, you guys. Oh my god, this hair is It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'm taking my foundation and I'm just going to rub it in here. The lace. Okay. Because even though the knots are bleached, I want to make sure that this matches my skin tone. Okay. So once I do this, this is the HairVivi. Oh my god. HairVivi. HairVivi. Oh my god. HairVivi. Ooh. HairVivi. Then I'm taking my Fit Me powder, you guys. And I'm going to set that foundation so it won't budge. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. You see that white stuff? I don't know what that is. It also has adjustable straps. And I'm going to adjust it really tight because I have a small head.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar.
There's no shedding, there's no tangling, you guys. It's a pretty flawless unit. Pretty flawless. A pretty flawless unit.
You are what see me brain. The only special one.
Okay, y'all, this is what I'm doing so far with this HairVivi. I love this is one of my favorite units, you guys, hands down. I still have to play with it some more. Again, this is kind of like my first impressions of this unit, so I really I'm really impressed. I'm extremely impressed with this hair. I think I'll just probably wear it the way it's set, like kind of like a flip over, and I'll come back maybe and let you know. Or maybe I'll pin something down below to let you know how this hair stood up over a month or whatever. So yeah. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be notified each time I upload a video. Join the CocoaAlmondJoy family. Okay? And yeah, it's free. And you'll get to see me every week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.